Hi Drakshayani, how are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm good too. Thank you. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Sure, sir. Thank you for introducing myself. So, this is my myself, Drakshai. I am from Hyderabad. Coming to my education qualification, I completed MSc Mathematics. Uh, so
Mm-hmm.
I completed my MSc Mathematics at TJPS College in Guntur. Coming to my technical skills, I know good knowledge on manual testing, so automation tool Selenium, and good knowledge on code Java. Coming to database, I have good knowledge on SQL, some basic knowledge on API testing and the TestNG frameworks. So coming to my short-term goal, I get a good job in IT sector and become a good financial independent. And long-term goal is I get a good position where I build my career. And my hobbies is listening music and think newly. Anything newly, I think that. Coming to my strength, I believe myself and I am a motivated person. And coming to weakness, I feel uncomfortable to until my finish work. So this all about myself.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Can you tell me why pointers are not used in Java?
So pointer is the complex concepts. That's why we remove the Java. So
Mm-hmm.
Java is from that Java is a simple programming language.
Okay. Uh, See, when you get this question, you can answer JVM is so basically you are correct. Java does not use pointers because they are unsafe. They'll
Yes,
increase
sir.
the complexity of the program. But Java is a very simple language. Now,
Yes.
what is JVM in Java? So JVM is
So
responsible for memory
execute
allocation.
the yeah,
Yeah.
execute the program line by line.
Hmm. Right, right. So that is correct. But with respect to this pointers, I'm telling JVM is responsible for implicit memory allocation, right?
Yes.
Now, you have to avoid the direct access to the memory by the user, right? That's why the pointers are discouraged in Java. Okay. Now let's discuss about JVM. What you were telling, what is JVM? Let's see that.
Okay. JVM is Java Virtual Machine.
Mm-hmm.
So we can execute the Java program line by line with the
Mm-hmm.
help of JVM. So first source code converted into bytecode, then bytecode converted into machine code with the help of JVMs.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you know about finally block in Java?
Finally block. Yes, sir.
Does the finally block always run in Java?
Yes, sir. If it is exception handle or not, the
Hmm.
finally block will be executed. It have a necessary code.
Mm-hmm. So Java finally block will always get executed. That's what you are telling.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right, right. So you're correct. Java finally block will always get executed whether you get an exception. So exception is handled or not. It contains
Handle.
all the
Yes.
necessary statements that you get.
Yes.
Right. So that is the purpose of the Java finally
Fine.
block.
Finally block.
Correct. Okay. What is constructor?
Constructor and the method both are same. Here constructor name, class name must be same, and constructor does not allow any return type. So by using new keyword, we have to create the constructor to the class. It
Hmm.
is easy to initialize the values to the object. That's why we have to use constructor. There are three types constructors is there: non-parameter constructor, parameterized constructor, and a default constructor. Coming to non-parameterized constructor, it doesn't have any parameters. So
Hmm.
we can call the non-parameters.
Hmm.
Constructor does have parameters. We can call the parameterized constructor.
Hmm.
Coming to default constructor, so we cannot create any constructor in the class. So
Hmm.
JVM will generate one default constructor. So
Hmm.
here default constructor and the non-parameter constructor both are not same in Java. So
Hmm.
JVM will know that.
Okay. What is super keyword in Java?
So super is a keyword. We have to use the super keyword with the reference of the parent class object.
Hmm. Okay. So can you write a simple program using super keyword and how you will use it in your program? I'm giving you screen sharing rights. You need to click on the green color button, share screen. You
Okay,
can
sir.
use Notepad++, you can use IntelliJ, you can use Eclipse, whichever tool that you are comfortable with. Okay. Can you, it's, okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can you write the program using super keyword? Any program in which you can use the super keyword and then you have to explain how you have used it and what is the significance of it. Can you increase the font size a bit? Yeah. Can you go to format? Format menu
Um,
is there. In that you will get the option format menu, font. Yeah, increase the font size. 20 is fine. Yeah, click on OK. Yeah,
yes, sir.
now write the program. Yeah,
This is one class, sir.
okay.
Sir, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you're audible. Tell me what you have done. So you're done with the program.
Yes, sir.
Can you run this program once? So you have created public pet animals, string named public class pet animals extends animals. Okay, so
Yes.
this is the subclass. Okay.
Subclass, sir.
Okay, your program is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you explain this program once?
So,
What all things you have done?
so first one, I have to take animal class. In this
Hmm.
class, I have to create one legs method. So
Okay.
every animals have legs. So this is the string. So I
Hmm.
have to call this method in parent class, child class. So
Hmm.
that's why I have to extend by using extend keyword. I have to extend the animal class.
Hmm.
So in this, I have here super dot name. So this is refers to the parent class name. This
Okay,
name
so
here printed simple.
so you have string name equal to animals have legs, string name to equal to animals have mouth.
Yes.
So with respect to variable, you are trying to use that.
So super dot name, it will print animals have legs. So this dot
But
name to
here,
it will print parent current object of the parent.
okay, but string name to you have written, and string name you have written. So obviously those are different variables. Your
Yes, sir.
name to and name both are different variables.
Yes, sir.
If I have the same variables with the same name in my parent class and in my child class, right? Then I can use the super keyword to avoid any confusion. Are you
Yes, sir.
understanding it?
Yes, sir.
So,
I
so,
understand.
so see, let me share my screen so I can explain you. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
I have one class which is parent. Here I have
Yes.
defined one variable x equal to 10.
Done.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Simple. Now I have class child which is extending the parent class here integer x equal to 20.
Yes, sir.
Note down the x variable is same in the line number 3 as well as in the line number 6. So x variable is same in the parent class as well as in the child class. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
what I have done here is I am creating one method here, void display. And I'm
Yes.
saying system.out.println just
Child X.
x. Yeah, just x. It is referring
So
to
it
the
will
child class. If
child
I
class.
tell super.x, it will refer to my
Refer to the parent
parent
class
class variable. Okay.
variable. Yes.
Now I have one more class and main method is defined. I'm creating an object of this child class, child
So
object
it
equal to
will
new child, right? So object
execute
dot
the child
display,
class object.
right? So both the lines will get executed. First with respect to child, second with respect to parent,
Parent.
right? So this
Yes.
is how you can write. Now tell me how you can use this super keyword with respect to. So now we saw when we want to access the parent class variables, how you will use the super keyword to access parent class methods.
Parent class methods.
Methods, yeah. Here we have used super keyword. The example that you wrote,
Goal.
the example which I showed was with respect to
It is not
variables.
applicable in static areas.
No, no, not about static. I'm asking about this how you will use the super keyword to call the methods from the parent class. So how you will access the parent class methods using super
So
keyword.
by using super construct
Super
with
you'll
the
use,
child class constructor, first line you have to indicate the super constructor. You can invoke the parent class objects and members.
okay. Okay, can you write this program once, super keyword with respect to parent class methods I want to access. Mhm. Do you want me to assist you in this program? Super, super class. See, let me show you that program as well. I'm asking you to use super keyword to access the methods of the parent class. See, let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes,
Class is parent here,
parent.
and I have created one method void display. Okay, this is with respect to parent class method. Now I'm creating class child, which is extends parent. Void display, again the same method, but
Same method.
here system.out.println a different statement. Then one of the method I'm creating in which I'm trying to access super.display. So this will access the method of my
Method object,
parent class,
parent object. Yes, sir.
right? And then
Okay.
your class, and then you will create the object.show. So output would be your parent class
Parent
method.
class.
This one will be your output because this super.display will take this parent class. Clear?
Okay.
Great, great. Okay, fine. Now moving to the next question. Uh, okay. How many types of variables are there in Java?
So there are two types variables is this.
Hmm,
Local variables, global variables. So
hmm.
as local variables, global variables.
Okay,
So
can
local
you,
variables,
yeah,
I will tell
elaborate?
you briefly. So local variables is applicable within the block and within the methods and within the constructor. If you want to use the local variables before you can be initialize the values to the local variables.
Hmm,
So which can we have to define that? So that scope we have to use local variables. So parameters also a local variables. Coming to global variables, we can use the class level variables. So those are two types, instance variables and static variables. Coming to instant variables is applicable within the class and but outside methods and outside constructor, outside block of code, we have to uh, define that. So instant variables is individual objects of the class. So each object of the class, it's have own copy of the variables. If you not assign any value to the instant variables, so JVM will assign the default values to that variables. So coming to static variables, so static variables is a variable we have to declare must be with the static keyword. So static variables value shareable to all the objects, same value. So if you want to do any effective to the static variables, so that effective to change the all the objects of the values.
mhm.
So those are the variables.
Okay, okay, fine. Now tell me what would be the output of this program? Is the screen visible to you?
Yes, sir. It's
What would
visible.
be the output? So this is a try program which has try catch block.
Yes, sir.
Hmm,
Yes, sir. It is the try with the multiple catch blocks. So it should follow some orders, parent, child to parent. So if you not follow the others order, we have to get a compile times. So
You'll get
first
compiled by.
yes,
Hmm,
here we have to take fixed set of array.
hmm,
Here
hmm.
five size is 5, but you have to print array of 10 size. It is not possible and it is take compile time. Array index out of bound exception. So
Right,
first
right.
we
So,
need to write arithmetic exception. So second one is array index out of bound exception. And finally, parent exception.
so what would be the output? What exception you will get? Which exception you will get out of these?
Array index out of the bound
Array index
exceptions.
out of bound exception would be your
Yes, sir.
output, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. And we are using this try catch block, right? And as per that, it will go to this particular line.
Yes, yes. Sir.
Clear?
Do not accept,
Okay.
do not handle that one. So parent should take that exception.
Correct, correct, great. Fine. What is try catch block? Why do we use it?
So try is a block and try is a keyword. It is
Mm,
maintain the risky code. So try with the catch, try with the finally is possible. Coming to catch, so try is to handle the exception.
mm.
That means if any rise exception in that try, so catch will catch that exception and the rest of the program will be executed.
Okay. Mm. What is the significance of having a switch block in Java?
Switch block,
Switch statement.
switch statements, it is a control for statements.
Mm,
So if you give any knowledge and that's
mm-hmm.
I know
Okay.
that that is the switch.
Yeah, yeah.
We have a cases, break statement,
Right, right.
finally default statement is there. So if your switch statements is not executable, finally I think default block will be executed.
Okay, okay. I'll tell you one of the flow chart so that it is clear for you. So this is the flow chart of the switch statement. You will have different cases. First of
Cases
all,
is
you
there.
will have expression. Yeah.
Yes,
Then case one, case two, case
case
three, and then
yes.
like up to
Many
case
case
n default. Okay, if case one
yes.
is matched, then statement one would
Yes.
be getting executed and then the break.
Break
If case two similarly on the same line statement two and break and then so on and so forth. So this is the flow chart of the switch statement.
purpose.
Hmm, okay, great. Okay, what is JDK and what is JRE?
So JDK stands for Java Development Toolkit. It is used to develop the Java code and Java. So it contains JRE, interpreter, JVM. Coming to JRE, Java Runtime Environment is
Mhm,
used to run the Java application. It contains interpreter JVM. JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Machine. It will be execute the Java program line by line.
mhm. Okay, can you write a simple code for a parameterized constructor? So any one program in which you have used parameterized constructor. Yeah, you can remove this program and write a new program with parameterized constructor.
Suppose
Control A and delete. Yeah. Yeah, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have created a class. Can you explain this program?
So I have created two instant variables, class inside instant variables. So I have to call in that parameter constructor. This indicates the current object reference.
Mm-hmm.
So when you have to call the constructor along with the parameter, it will indicate to the uh, member number constructor. So one is allocated to into ID, name is allocated to string name. So
Mm-hmm.
have to create one current object.
Okay. Great, wonderful. Okay, can you write the program for abstraction? Abstraction is an OOPS concept. Are you aware about it?
Abstraction.
Abstraction,
Abstraction.
abstraction. Yes, abstraction. How do you pronounce it?
Abstraction, maybe, I think.
Abstraction. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah, can you write the program for that?
Okay, sir. I will.
Yeah. Done? Have you? Okay, fine. You're writing. Hmm.
So abstract.
Mm-hmm.
So abstract class have
Can have abstract methods. It can also have concrete methods as well.
concrete methods. Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have created an abstract class.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Now, what else?
To extend to
Mm,
implements to another class.
mm-hmm. Right. So how can you write that entire program?
Have to create abstract class constructor also, but constructor will execute it at the child class object creation.
Mhm.
So constructor can use the reference variables to the implemented class. So it's have static blocks and instant blocks also.
Okay, so
We cannot create the object to the abstract class because it is not a fully implemented classes. So it contains abstract methods and non-abstract methods.
right. But where is the implementation of the abstract class here?
So
Public class. Which class is implementing letters? What is letters here? What is letters here?
alphabets is the class implements.
Okay. Letters is one more class you're telling? What is letters?
So letter is the parent class. So abstract class.
Okay, letters is one of the abstract class. Okay, public abstract letters. And then, okay, so, okay, see, let me share my screen. See, if you get this question of abstraction, so this is how you can write a program. First, abstract class shape. So you take one of the class which is abstract. It has got abstract method, just abstract method for now. It has also got non-abstract method. So one is abstract method, abstract void draw. It is declared with an abstract keyword. Then non-abstract method, that is void display system.out.println. This is a shape. Then there is a class circle, which is
Circle.
extending this shape
Shape.
class. Okay. And here you have one of the method void draw.
Was
Now
completely
you
implemented in the
Right. Now you have got main class, in that you have got main method,
main
and you
method.
have got shape equal to new circle, right? So you'll get output as drawing a circle, output as this is a shape dot draw, shape dot display, right? So that's how you can define the abstraction. Fine, great. Okay, what is string?
String is widely used in Java. So
Mm-hmm,
string is a predefined class in Java. So it's stored in java.lang package.
mm-hmm,
There is no need to import the java.lang package. It is a predefined.
okay.
String is nothing but a collection of characters
Mm-hmm,
surrounded with the double quotes. So string we can declare by using two ways, by using new keyword and a string listener. So string is a immutable class
mm,
because we have to create one object with a string. We cannot change that value. If we want to change that value, it will create a new object.
correct. Right. Okay, Drakshayani, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
It's not- it's-
Yeah.